All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another round of coffee and questions. What's today's topic? Well, today's topic, I had a friend of mine stop by, said, hey, I'm going to go out and I'm going to buy some welding clamps. He goes, I've got some steel. He goes, it's about 3 inches or 3.5 inches by 2 inches, like tube steel. He goes, they're fairly good size because I got to weld them together in these different sections. And I really like to get some clamps. I mean, to hold them, nice and straight and level. And he goes, so you want to ride out the welding shop? And I said, well, look, before we go, let me flip through something real quick because I keep collections of stuff. And I go, let me show you how you can make them yourself. And you can make them the way that you want to your own specifications, actually. Make them a little bit bigger for future projects. You can make small ones. I'll show you how to make your welding clamps. Let's get out and let me show you another photo here of welding clamps and how you can make them. Give me just a sec. And bam, here we go. So these are just made out of some channel steel. Now you can go out to any steel supply place. I always look in the cutoffs, and sometimes I buy their cutoffs. Sometimes they sell them cheaper. Sometimes it's just cheaper, even if they're charging you the same price per square foot. So I take a look around, and you can see that's all these are. And you can put them in your drill press or a hand drill. You can drill a hole. Now the ones that I made once before, I made for a friend. I made one, and we use 3/4 inch all thread. You can buy that at any big box store. And we did what you see here in the picture. We welded a nut onto the end on the inside, and that's going to give you that clamping pressure. And on the outside, you can see where he tack welded another nut where you would send that threading through. Or you could do it like right here in the picture. If you just need small ones, you can pick up some small pieces of channel steel. You can bring them home, drill the whole size out that you want. This is kind of a fast, easy project because either while you're there or on your way back, you can stop hardware store, Home Depot, Lowe's, pick up some nuts and some bolts. What I would tell you, I'll take my picture off of here in a second before we conclude the video. Use your camera on your phone. Just take a snapshot. If you think that these are useful, keep it with you next time you're out at the hardware store. Go ahead and pick up some nuts and bolts, pick up some scrap steel. You don't have to buy this steel like in any great lengths. I just ask them if they have any cutoffs. They always do. And they just throw them over like in the corner of the big warehouse, and I got to go over there and root through stuff. Yeah, but it saves me a lot of money. It's a good little thing, a little project to do. And you can add these in with the other jigs and stuff I've shown you on my videos how to do. So that's your quick tip of the day. I hope you click subscribe. If you could think of a better way to make your own clamps like this for welding, drop it in the comment below. We're always eager to learn off of each other. I just like to see how other people do it. This is a picture, like I said, I got off of the web a long time back. I used it to make my own. I made them a little bit bigger than this, and I made them a little bit more stout by just, like I said, using, all thread, but you don't have to use all thread. I had it in my garage, my shop, and I wasn't using it for anything else, so I just went ahead and used it. You can make your own handles. You can make them out of other bolts like he did, or you can make them out of just round steel if you have it laying around. You can use tubular steel and make your own handles and just weld them on. These are quick, easy projects. They save you money, make them to your own specifications. You can use them over and over and over. All right, folks, I want to thank you very much. You have a great day. I'll see you on the next video when we figure out what our next project's going to be. Have a good day. Bye-bye.